Today we're going to be taking a look at a couple of protective cases made by SUPCASE for the brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both these cases have been military grade drop tested, and they both come in a couple different colors. Here we have the UB Pro, and here we have the MagXT. I'm going to tell you which one of these cases are my favorite, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not which one of these cases are right for you. And if you guys want to pick them up, I will be putting product links in the video description. So let's get started. So here we have SUPCASE's UB Pro case. So this is their new Bumble color. This looks so cool. It's got kind of like a gunmetal back with like a fluorescent yellow accent. That looks really nice. It also comes with this really nice belt clip where you can put the phone face in or face out, whichever one you prefer. And it's also a two-piece design. It's got this inner liner that comes out that you put on the phone. Then you put the whole piece inside the case. And it also comes with another piece that has a built-in screen protector. Now, if you are going to be using the portion that has the built-in screen protector, make sure you thoroughly clean off your phone screen before you put this on. Now let's see how much this case weighs. 91 grams. So now that our phone screen is cleaned, we're going to peel off the inside protector. Also peel off this little piece in the inside, just like that. And then just place this over the top of your phone. And then take this whole thing and put it inside the case. Press in all the sides, and then you can peel off the top protector. And there we go. As you can see, it's nice and clear. There's a cutout for your camera as well as some speaker grills on the top. You want to make sure that there are no bubbles in this little fingerprint sensor, so just press that down. It feels really nice in the hand. It's got a smooth rubber type feel. Buttons on the side are very easily pressable. If we take a look at it from the side, you can see it's got a raised edge all the way around the front of the screen. Now, as you can see, it does add some considerable bulk to the phone, but it's also very protective. On the side, we have that texture for grip. On the bottom, we have our covered charging port, and you can also access your S Pen. On the side, we have that same texture with a textured power button and our volume buttons. On the back, again, it's got that really cool design. Got some carbon fiber inlay at the top and a very hard polycarbonate backing that does not show fingerprints. We also have a raised edge around our camera lenses for protection there. And we also have a built-in kickstand. So you can use your phone in a portrait mode, or you can lay it down in a landscape. And then when you're done, it easily stows right back into the case with a little clip. I always love the UB Pro cases. It's very protective, and it comes with the belt clip. So if you want the best drop protection for your phone, I would go with the UB Pro. The case also comes in a bluish tilt color, and it also comes in this other new pattern that's called blocks. Looks pretty interesting. So now let's test out our fingerprints. Fingerprints seem to be working just fine. And if your fingerprints aren't working correctly, just re-register them and turn up the sensitivity for your phone, and you should be just fine. Now, as you can see, the screen does collect some fingerprints, but you can fairly easily wipe those away. So not a big issue there. Touch also working fine on this screen. You can easily access the bottom of the phone or the top. And if you want to slide from the sides, that's not a problem either. Now let's test out our S Pen. So the S Pen writes perfectly fine on the screen here, but there is a good bit of resistance. It's not very fun to write on this. It kind of feels like you're writing on some very fine sandpaper. It's a little kind of rough, but it still works. And then here we have the SUPCASE MagXT case. Let's see how much the case weighs. 79 grams. Now this definitely has to be my favorite case. Not only does it have MagSafe built in, but it has this nice metal camera cover that also acts as a kickstand. And this is a really protective case, but it also keeps your phone as slim as possible while maintaining a good drop protection. It's definitely a lot slimmer than the UB Pro. It's got a hard polycarbonate backing surrounded by a softer rubbery material on the inside of the case. It is nice and smooth, and it's got some metal lining on the inside as well. Put our phone inside the case. Fits the phone really well, feels nice in the hand. It does not feel bulky at all. Buttons on the side, very clicky, easily pressable. I love the accented red color. It looks so cool. If you look at it from the side, you can see that it's got a very prominent raised edge on the top and the bottom of the case. And also, as you can see, it doesn't really add a lot of extra bulk to the phone. We have that texture on the side for some grip, carbon fiber inlays on the side, and the corners are also very reinforced for drop protection. On the bottom, we have our cutouts. You can easily access your S Pen. On the other side, again, we have those accented power and volume buttons, which looks amazing. On the back, it's got that really cool red. Again, we have that metal camera cover that is very sturdy. It stays in any position you put it, and it's got a soft felt on the inside. And there's also a very prominent raised edge all the way around your cameras. So even if you have the camera cover open, your cameras are still very protective. And I love that the camera cover pretty much folds flat with the case and out of the way. Now again, the only thing with this type of case is if you're using a MagSafe power bank like I am here, you're not going to really be able to use it straight on. You're going to have to put it on an angle to charge your phone. If you put it face on, it might stick in place and kind of charge the phone, but as you can see, it's not flush with the case, so you're not getting a very good, strong, solid connection. But if you take the MagSafe battery and you angle it like this, it clips right onto the back, immediately charges your phone, it's flush with the case, and it's got a super strong hold on the case. You don't have to worry about the MagSafe battery just coming off. It's on there really good. So if you happen to have one of those pucks, it'll fit perfectly on here, but if you're using the power bank, again, that's what you're going to be dealing with. This also does work perfectly fine with regular wireless charging as well. And then like I said, you can also use the camera cover as a kickstand, so you can lay it down in a landscape, kind of angle it more towards you for, YouTube or Netflix, and you can also have the phone stand up in a portrait mode as well. Awesome case. I absolutely love this. And we also have that MagXT case in a tilt color as well. As you can see, the camera cover is silver on this. Looks really cool. So that was the SUPCASE UB Pro and the MagXT cases for the brand new Galaxy S24 Ultra. Again, my favorite was the MagXT, but they're all really good protective cases. I just like something a little bit slimmer, and you get this really nice metal camera cover. Which one of these cases was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And again, if you guys want to pick any of these cases up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.